Did you know that a simple grain or a common fungus could be the secret to your skincare woes? Yes, we're talking about azelaic acid. This unassuming compound has a stellar reputation in the skincare world, but its origins might surprise you. It's not created in a lab or conjured up in a scientist's beaker. Instead, it's naturally found in grains and a fungus known as Rosacea furfur. It's a bit like finding out your favorite celebrity has a day job as a librarian. But don't let its humble beginnings fool you. Azelaic acid is a potent weapon against common skin issues like acne and rosacea. It's like having a secret superhero on your side, fighting the good fight for clear, radiant skin. So next time you see a grain of wheat or spot of fungus, remember this. It might just hold the key to your skincare success. That's right, a common grain or fungus could be your skin's new best friend. So how does this miraculous ingredient work, you ask? Let's break it down. Azelaic acid is like a superhero in the world of skincare, with a variety of powers that help it tackle many of the common skin problems we face. So let's dive into the science behind this magical component. First up, azelaic acid is a natural antibacterial agent. In simpler terms, it's like a bouncer at a club, refusing entry to any harmful acne-causing bacteria. It's this ability to keep our skin free from these unwanted invaders that makes it such a potent weapon against acne. But it doesn't stop there. Azelaic acid also has anti-inflammatory properties. Think of it as a peacekeeper, calming down any angry, inflamed areas on your skin. It soothes and reduces inflammation, helping your skin to heal and regenerate. Next, let's talk about skin protein production. Our skin naturally produces proteins, but sometimes it can go into overdrive, leading to a buildup. Azelaic acid steps in here like a strict supervisor, slowing down this production process and preventing any unnecessary accumulation. Now onto the connection between testosterone and oil production. In some cases, this hormone can stimulate excessive oil production, leading to oily skin and acne. But guess what? Azelaic acid can break this connection, acting like a mediator, ensuring that your skin stays balanced and oil-free. Lastly, let's discuss how azelaic acid combats the formation of dark patches on the skin. Sunlight exposure can sometimes trigger the production of excess pigment, leading to these unwanted dark patches, but like a protective shield, azelaic acid blocks this process, helping to maintain an even skin tone. In other words, azelaic acid is a multitasking skin champion. Now that we have decoded the science behind azelaic acid, you might be wondering how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. The great news is that you've got options. Azelaic acid is available in both over-the-counter products and prescription-strength solutions. The concentration you choose depends on your skincare needs and tolerance. Over-the-counter products typically contain 10% or less of azelaic acid. These are great for those who are new to this ingredient or those with sensitive skin. They offer a gentle introduction, helping your skin become accustomed to the acid while still reaping its benefits. On the other hand, prescription-strength azelaic acid contains between 15 to 20% concentration. This is more suitable for severe skin conditions or for those whose skin has already adjusted to lower concentrations. It's a powerful ally against acne, rosacea, and hyperpigmentation. But remember, power comes with responsibility. While azelaic acid can be a game changer for your skin, it's not without potential side effects. Some people may experience skin irritation, dryness, or even changes in skin color. If you notice any of these signs, don't panic. It may be that your skin needs time to adjust to the product, or it may be that the concentration is too high for you. The key is to listen to your skin. Start with a lower concentration and gradually build up as your skin becomes more tolerant. And as with all skincare products, patch tests are your best friend. Apply a small amount on your forearm and wait 24 hours to see how your skin reacts before applying it to your face. Remember, always follow the instructions of a doctor or dermatologist when using azelaic acid. Skincare is not a one-size-fits-all domain. Your skin is unique, and you deserve a routine tailored to its specific needs. So take your time, do your research, and most importantly, enjoy the journey to healthier, happier skin. It's time to take the plunge and experience the magic of azelaic acid for yourself. Now that you have a wealth of knowledge about azelaic acid, it's time to see the magic happen firsthand. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. This is not just a tagline for superhero movies, but a golden rule for skincare enthusiasts. It's crucial to follow the instructions of a healthcare professional when incorporating azelaic acid into your skincare routine. Imagine a world where you wake up every morning, look in the mirror and see healthier, clearer, and more radiant skin. That's what azelaic acid can do for you. It's like having your personal skincare fairy godmother, working behind the scenes, fighting against acne-causing bacteria, reducing inflammation, and blocking those pesky dark patches caused by sun exposure. But it's not all about fighting the bad guys. Azelaic acid also slows down the production of skin protein, preventing buildup and breaking the connection between testosterone and oil production. It's like a secret weapon, keeping your skin balanced and radiant. Now you might be thinking, sounds great, but what if my skin reacts badly to it? Well, that's where the importance of following a healthcare professional's advice comes in. They'll guide you on the right concentration to start with, how to apply it, and when to use it. Remember, transformation doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and consistency. But with azelaic acid in your arsenal, you're well on your way to achieving that dream skin. It's a journey, and every journey starts with a single step. So are you ready to take that step? Ready to dive into the world of azelaic acid and see the transformation for yourself? So go ahead, give azelaic acid a try, and let your skin reveal the magic.